Alright, so here's my sauce recipe. First of all, these are my jarred sauce. Okay. Thinking 3 jars because it's Father's Day. We have a lot of people over. This is extra virgin olive oil. Okay. I already put it in. So you heat up the oil. Again, I don't know anything about measuring, but the more you do it, the more you get used to it. This is about 10 cloves of garlic. We love garlic, okay? And this is like 1 big onion or 2 small onions, okay? What you're gonna do, actually, I want to separate it because when I put it in, the garlic has to go in last. This is sweet sausage. This is hot sausage. I do 6, and these are a little narrower, so just gonna put this in. So I'm gonna brown the sausage first, okay? It seals the flavor. Okay, so I put some extra virgin olive oil in the pan, heated it up. I put some sweet sausage, some hot sausage. I'm gonna brown that first. These are my jarred sauces. I make fresh sauce. I will definitely record that when the time comes, but I don't use any other. This is just fresh tomatoes and basil in here. Once you make your own sauce, you'll never go back to any kind of canned sauce. Anyway, this is 1 large onion or 2 small onions I did today. That's about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, okay? So once this browns, I'm going to add in the garlic and the onions, but I want to brown this first because it seals all the flavor in, okay? Okay, so it's brown. Now, see? You got to be careful too. You might get shot on here. So just want to make sure both sides are brown. Okay. And I'm going to put in the onions. Let them saute for a few minutes. Okay. And then I'll throw in the garlic. And then the sauce. I'll show you what that looks like in a few minutes. Now I'm going to put in the garlic. And let that saute for a few minutes so it gets a little soft. And throw in the sauce. Okay. Onions and garlic. I'm sauteing for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to throw in the sauce that I made myself. Okay. I'm doing 2 jars. I made this the other day, so I'm going to add that in at the end because it's already cooked. These are just raw tomatoes with basil. And make sure that all the sauce gets to the bottom so nothing burns. You don't want the garlic to burn. That's the worst thing you want, the garlic to burn. Okay. Once the sauce is in, now it's a little thick, so what I like to do is just add a little water, just to get the sauce in the bottom. Okay. Then I'm going to add, this is the meatball mix sitting there waiting for me. A little salt and pepper. Love these salt and pepper things ever since I had my hand surgery. It's a lifesaver. No more grinding like a lunatic. Okay. Mix the salt and pepper in. Okay. Now I'm going to cover it, but not all the way. Leave a little opening and lower the flame, because this baby is going to be sitting here for a couple hours. So it is 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, about 2:30. I would do it for 3 hours, and I'll show you the final product after we do the raviolis, and I'm going to show you the frying of the meatballs next. Okay? Remember, you have to like and subscribe and follow Dishing with Dee, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you find it. Thank you so much. So it's almost ready, guys. The sausage is so soft, and see how the sauce is. I'm just going to take the strings off and continue cooking it for, I don't know, another half an hour or so.